What's up, YouTube? Right now I'm going to show you how to screen record and edit a European Cup highlight video all on one software. It's really easy and really quick to learn. Follow my steps and at the end of the video, you'll have your own European Cup highlight video. After you make your European Cup highlight video, don't forget to post and share in the comments. First of all, you need to record the highlights, the most exciting parts. To do that, you can use Edimakor. Edimakor allows you to capture and record everything that is displayed on your computer screen. Open Edimakor, click Screen Recorder, and select the screen area you want to record. At the top of the rectangle, you can see there are a Start button, Disable Speaker button, Disable Microphone button, Enable Camera button, Brush and Mouse button. The Disable Speaker button mutes the audio output of the screen recording. When you click that, any sound coming from the computer being recorded is not captured in the video. So when you edit the video, you don't need to mute the video again, and can easily add background music to it. The Disable Microphone button disables the microphone input. It can prevent any external sounds or voice recordings from being captured during the screen recording. If you want to add a reaction sound, then you can leave the Disable Microphone button unclicked. Then while you record the game, it can also record your sound. The Enable Camera button can activate the camera on the computer. It allows you to record the game and your face at the same time. It's great for recording game highlight reactions. After you recorded the game highlights, you can exit the recording page and drag all the clips into the timeline where you can easily edit them. Before the highlight starts, I usually like to point out the person I want my viewers to focus on. Here I will use stickers, and I will pause the screen when pointing out this person. So first, drag this to the place where you want to pause. Click the snowflake icon, and you will find that it automatically adds a still picture for you. Then in the top left corner, select Stickers. Under Mark, you can see that there are many arrows and circles here which will help you point out wherever you want. Choose one that you think is good, drag it to the timeline, place it on the still clip, and then adjust its size, position, and time. Then I will cut the clip into several parts and adjust their speed. I usually like to slow down the running part and speed up, or not make any changes to the shooting part. And finally, add exciting sound effects. That's how you make a European Cup highlight video. Of course, you don't need to edit exactly like I said. You can edit it whatever you want. Okay, that's all. If you like this video, please follow me to learn more about editing skills. See you in the next video.